my channel. My name is Kritika and I make videos related to food, beauty and lifestyle. So if any of that interests you, then please consider subscribing to my channel. And today I'm starting with a Maggi Fest. Yes guys, if you do not know that already, we are having a Maggi Fest on this channel. So for the next 15 days, I'm going to be talking all about Maggi. I'm also going to be sharing some amazingly delicious Maggi recipes with you guys. So do stay tuned to my channel and hit that bell icon so you do not miss all of my upcoming videos. So if you're a Maggi lover, hit that like button because today's video is gonna be super interesting. Yes guys, I'm gonna be trying few new flavors from Maggi. So these are the new flavors that I'm gonna be trying today. Yes guys, they have been there in the market for quite some time now, but I finally got my hands in it and I thought of making a video where I try all of them together and I'll definitely review it for you guys and will let you know if these flavors are tasty or not and if they are worth your money or not, because that's really important. So what are we waiting for? Without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Firstly, I'll tell you all the names of the flavors that I have with me. The first flavor that I have here is the Maggi Nutrilicious Masala Veg Atta Noodles in the variant Spinach, and it is how it looks, guys. It has got quite quirky packaging and spinach is all over written on it, and they say that they have spinach in every noodle, and we're definitely gonna try it and see if spinach noodles can taste good. The next flavor that I have with me is the Chatpata tomato flavor, and it is also completely red. I like the packaging and this is how it looks. The next flavor that we have here with us is the Maggi Special Masala. Spicy and yummy. Yes guys, so Maggi people have really promoted this variant for some reason and they say that it has special masala to it, so I'm really excited to see if this one actually beats the regular classic Maggi. And the fourth and the final flavor of Maggi that I have here with me is this Maggi Desi Cheesy flavor. Yes guys, I love this one the most. Firstly, it looks really cute, and secondly, I'm a very big cheese lover and I have been making Maggi with cheese since the longest time. But now that Maggi has launched its complete variant in cheese, I'm supremely excited to try this one and see how exactly it tastes and if it is actually delicious or not. I so want this one to be supremely delicious so I can hog on it in future. And now we are in my kitchen to prepare all these Maggi noodles. I'll quickly walk you through my procedure of making Maggi. So after switching on the flame, I add about 1.5 cups of water. Firstly, we are preparing this special masala Maggi. Now as the water starts boiling, I'll add the Maggi taste maker. Yes guys, I prefer adding this taste maker before the actual Maggi noodles. And then I'll add the Maggi noodles to the pan. Now you have to just let it boil and you can stir it in between. I'm using a fork here to stir it so that the noodles do not break. Once all the water gets boiled, your Maggi is ready. Switch off the flame and the Maggi is ready to serve. Hey guys, so I am back from my kitchen and I have all my Maggis with me. So these are our Maggis. The first one is the spinach Maggi. The second one is the Desi cheesy Maggi. The third one is our special Maggi masala Maggi. And the fourth one is the Chatpata tomato Maggi. So without any further ado, let's get started with the tasting of these Maggis. I'm gonna be starting with the Desi cheesy Maggi, majorly because I have a lot of high hopes from this Maggi. It's piping hot. So guys, talking about this Maggi, I'm slightly disappointed by it. It is absolutely cheesy, okay? So it's very cheesy. But then there is the missing flavor of Maggi. So it's more of like the cheesy pasta that we get from Maggi. It tastes exactly like that. It has oregano herbs and it also has few chili flakes. But still it is very mild on the flavors. And I feel toddlers can enjoy this Maggi easily because it is very low on spices. Except for the few chili flakes that you get in this, it is very low on spices, so toddlers will definitely enjoy this one. And if you're a person who wants to enjoy absolute cheesy Maggi, this one's for you. But I did not like it because I was expecting it to be spicy and cheesy at the same time. So yeah, it's not worth on my expectations. I think I'm gonna give this one a 3-star rating considering it's absolutely cheesy, and for the people who like plain cheesy Maggi and like cheesy pasta sauce will definitely love this one. So the next Maggi that we're gonna be trying is this spinach Maggi. As you can see, we got quite a lot of quantity in this packet, and it has a lot of Maggi in it, and the Maggi also looks green, and they definitely have few veggies also going on. They've tried to make it really healthy. As they say, this is atta noodles, it's spinach flavor, and they also have veggies in the taste maker. So yeah, it seems to be healthy. I'm just gonna dig into it and try it and tell you how it tastes. So guys, talking about this variant of Maggi, it has disappointed me even more. So basically, I love spinach as a vegetable and I do not mind having palak ki sabzi, but this is bland, okay? Just because it's spinach, they have added no flavor to it whatsoever. So there's like literally no flavor to it according to me. All the spices and everything is very low in it. You can again definitely try it for your toddlers if you want, and if you're a person who likes anything in low spices, you might want to try it. I would still not recommend you to try it, but yeah, you can just try it on your own risk. For me, I'm not really impressed with this variant, and I definitely won't be investing my money into this one again. And this is simply bland, okay? So yep, I think I'm just gonna give this one 1.5 or 2-star rating. Yeah, that's the maximum I can give it. And I would not recommend this to anyone except for toddlers. The next variant that we have here is the Chatpata Tomato Maggi. I'm having hopes from this one at least now because the name says Chatpata. So yeah, I really hope this one stands in its name and it is delicious as well. So yep, let's just try this one. Smells a lot like tomato. It obviously will, but yeah, it does. This has disappointed me again. It has a very bad taste of tomato. So there's this one flavor of tomato where you have it and you feel like this is not a good flavor. Matlab, like it's more of rotten tomato flavor. I do not know for some reason. So yeah, it's not the good flavor of tomato. It has a lot of flavor of it. It is high on salt, but no other flavor is there. So there's flavor of tomato, there's flavor of salt, and yeah, that's about it for this Maggi. It's not chatpata at all. At all. It definitely had more salt as compared to the previous two. But yep, I'm not sure if I'll try this one again. Looks like this, and it might again work for toddlers because they want to have something which is low on spices, so it might work for them. I won't recommend any adult to try this one. So I think I'm gonna give this one to another 2-star only and would not recommend you to try this. The final Maggi, we have the special masala Maggi, and my only hope is now this one. I'm really hoping that at least this one is good enough. And yes, what are we waiting for? Let's just dig into this one. This one again had a lot of Maggi in the packet. And yeah. So guys, as for this one, it definitely is a lot more spicy as compared to the others. I still want to have water. Is that spicy? I am a person who doesn't have spicy food at all, so yeah, it is spicy for me. If you are a person who loves spicy food, can definitely try this. So the complete review for this one is, it is nice, but it is not as good as the original classic Maggi, or even better than that, not at all. It's just okayish. It is very high on spices, and yeah, the masala is okayish, but it is definitely better than the three that we tried. So yeah, it's like an okayish Maggi. You can try this if you want to. I'm gonna give this one a 2.5 rating. It's not very good, it's not very bad. You can try your hands on this one if you are a spicy food lover. So guys, that was it for today's video. I tried all these Maggi flavors and I think I liked the cheesy one the most. Though it was not as good as I expected it to be. Nonetheless, I hope this video helped you and told you about new Maggi flavors. Here's a sneak peek for all you guys who stayed till the end for my next video, where I am gonna be sharing with you guys some amazing, delicious and easy Maggi snacks recipes. Yes guys, so you do not want to miss that video. Subscribe to my channel right now and click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload my next video. Connect with me on all my social media handles. The link for my social media handles would be given in the description box below. Give this video a big thumbs up and I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.